The cryptocurrency market is experiencing a sharp downturn, with the total market cap falling more than 2% in the last 24 hours to roughly around $3.47 trillion. And this correction comes amid a mix of macroeconomic uncertainties and profit taking by the long-term holders, and this is actually a big concern in the market as of now. So Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, witnessed a drop of as much as over 7%, briefly falling below the $1 lakh levels. And for the first time since June, and this marks a decline of over 20% from the all-time high it reached just a month ago. While Bitcoin paid some losses on Wednesday morning, it's still struggling to regain a solid footing. The long-term holders drive selling pressure, that's what the analysts believe, which is a key factor behind this market pullback is the heavy selling by the long-term Bitcoin holders. And over the past month, these holders have offloaded roughly around 4 lakh Bitcoins, which is approximately $45 billion. This sustained selling pressure has caused an imbalance in the market, undermining confidence among the traders. So macroeconomic factors such as the compounding in the market struggles is the ongoing uncertainty around the US Federal Reserve policies. And with signals that interest rates may not ease further in December, the US dollar has strengthened, leading investors to flock to safe haven assets such as the cash or the stable coins. That's what the market analysts believe. There is yet another concern in the market, where in the past 24 hours, approximately $2 billion in the crypto positions were liquidated. While this is the modest compared to the $19 billion in the liquidation during the last month's crash, it still highlights the market's current volatility nature. And the open interest in the Bitcoin futures remains subdued, with many option traders placing bearish bets through put contracts targeting the 80,000 strike levels. And speaking about the ETF, which has also witnessed an outflow, and the major area of concern, wherein the spot Bitcoin and the Ethereum witnessed outflows to the tune of $566.4 million and $219.4 million respectively, wherein the staked Solana ETFs have gained spotlight as they have attracted over $85 million worth of inflows in the last 2 days. So altcoins that have struggled were the Ethereum, which has been hit hard, down by 6% and falling below the critical support levels to trade below $3,300 levels. This is significant drop from its peak of nearly $5,000 hit in the August. And Ethereum has seen a wave of long position liquidation, second only to the Bitcoin. Speaking about Solana Sol, that dropped 3%, extending its 7-day losing streak to 21%. The on-chain activity for Solana has decreased by roughly 30%, signaling a slowdown in the investors' interest. Speaking about the Cardano's ADA token, has witnessed a similar headwinds, falling 2.5% today and 19% of the last week, following the broader trend of the altcoin market's downturn. Ripple's XRP also slipped, losing 2% today and 16% over the past 7 days. So other altcoins such as, and many other top 50 altcoins including the BNB and the Doge, have seen significant losses, with price swings amplified by the thin liquidity and the heightened volatility. And as market reacts to the both internal and external pressures, the next few days will be critical in determining whether the recent sell-off is just temporary correction or a deeper trend reversal. And until then, keep your positions light and stay on cash. That's all there is in this Coin Monitor. Keep watching 3.TV. Thank you.